when can we say that two lines are parallel? And why do we use the word corresponding angles at the foundation level? Dear viewers, let's discuss this concept today. So what is our topic? Our topic is based upon when can we say two lines are parallel? And why do we use the word corresponding angles? Right? So in order to prove this, that when can we say two lines are parallel? In order to prove this mathematically, let us suppose that PQ is a line. Let us suppose that this PQ is a line and this AB is a line, right? And we call this PQ as L1 and this AB as L2. And we are to determine whether these two lines PQ and AB, whether they are parallel or not. So how can we prove this mathematically? We can prove this mathematically whenever we find their slopes. So from slope, what do we mean? Slope of a line. From slope of a line, we mean that rise over run. How much distance it has traveled on x-axis, which is run, and what is this? It is the rise. From rise, we mean that the elevation of the line along the y-axis, that is, elevation is PR. And from run, we mean the distance along the x-axis. So in the same way, it follows here too. That is, this root 3 is nothing but it is the rise, elevation of this line AB along y-axis, and this 1 is nothing but it is the run along the x-axis. So this line L1 and L2 are parallel whenever this theta 1 equals theta 2. So from this theta 1 and theta 2, what do we mean? From theta 1 and theta 2, these are nothing but the corresponding angles. These are nothing but the corresponding angles. So from the word corresponding angles, we mean slope. From the word corresponding angles, we mean trigonometric ratio, which is used to find the slope of a line. What is that trigonometric ratio? That is tan theta. That is tan theta. So it is nothing but tan theta. This is tan theta 1 and this is tan theta 2. So these two lines are parallel whenever their slopes are equal. From the word slope, we mean tan theta 1, it should be equal to tan theta 2. So here theta 1 perpendicular divided by base, which implies tan theta 1 equals to root 3. So taking tan inverse on both sides, we get theta 1 equals to tan inverse of root 3. So it equals to, so at which angle the value of tan is root 3? It is 60 degree. So it means that theta 1 is equal to 60 degree. Here theta 1 is equal to 60 degree. So in the same way, whenever we follow this diagram, similarly in this diagram, we will again find theta 2 equals to 60 degree. Theta 2 is again 60 degree. Theta 1 60 degree and theta 2 equals 60 degree. So it means that the corresponding angles are equal. It means that the slopes are equal. It means that the two lines L1 and L2, they are parallel. Why they are parallel? Because we have proved that the corresponding angles, that is tan theta, is equal here. We have proved that the slopes are equal. From slope, what do you mean? Rise over run. What is rise here and what is rise here? They are equal. What is run here and what is run here? They are equal. So from this, we can conclude that the two lines are parallel, provided the condition will be satisfied. Allah Hafiz.